Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Apache Spark on macOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your terminal application on your macOS. To check if Apache Spark is installed, type the command spark submit version and press enter. If you see version details, Apache Spark is installed on your system. First, navigate to the directory where Apache Spark is installed. By default, this is usually in the /usr/local/seller/Apache Spark directory if you installed it using Homebrew. Type cd/usr/local/seller/Apache Spark and press enter to move to the Spark directory. Next, you need to remove the Spark directory. Type the command brew uninstall Apache Spark and press enter. Homebrew will remove Apache Spark from your system. If you installed Spark manually or through a different method, you can delete the Spark folder directly. Go to the location where you manually installed Apache Spark. This could be in your Documents or Downloads folder. Locate the Apache Spark folder and drag it to the trash. Next, you should also remove any environment variables you set for Spark. Open the .bash_profile, .bashrc, or .zshrc file in your home directory. You can do this by typing nano/.bash_profile, for example, and pressing enter. Look for lines that refer to Spark_home or any Spark-related paths. Delete those lines to remove the environment variables. After editing, save the changes by pressing Ctrl+O, then enter, and exit using Ctrl+X. Finally, update your terminal session by typing source/.bash_profile or the relevant file you edited. You have now successfully uninstalled Apache Spark from your macOS. To verify the uninstallation, type spark submit version again. You should see a command not found error, confirming that Spark is no longer on your system. Congratulations on completing the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.